Go.
Well, hi guys. Sanding and prepping the hull. It's hard work, but anyhow, it's it's really, it could be a lot worse. But I've sanded it once, I've filled it. Now I'm in the process of sanding the filler. As you can probably see, it's coming up good. It's coming up nicely. I think it's going to be good. But a lot of work. I've just done the port side this evening, and I'm knackered, mate. It's enough for today. So I shall save the starboard side for later. I ran out of this. This is this aeronautic filler, and I used it on this side, and I ran out again. So that's 2 cans I've used on this boat so far. On the other side, I mixed up epoxy with the West System light fairing filler stuff in it. And I have to say, this grey aeronautic is much nicer to work with. Noticeable difference in pleasure to work with it. Obviously, the West System stuff will do the job, but this is so much nicer to work with. So I think in that respect, worth the extra money. I think using epoxy with a bit of West System is probably cheaper, mind you, cheaper than West System. Not so sure. Anyhow, certainly nicer to work with. 3rd can on this way, just in case I've got some little bits that need a bit. Then the other thing I was going to say is I'll wipe it down with a rag with acetone to get the dust off. And also yesterday, after sanding the hull the first time, I ran out of acetone and used then general purpose thinners. And also I noticed a noticeable difference there. Acetone is so much better for wiping down with. So another thing I've learnt, I'll so far always have wiped down with acetone, and I shall continue to do so. It wipes down, gets the dust off really nicely. Anyhow, that's where we are for today. Thought I'd give you a quick update. I haven't done a Patreon update for a little bit. I've been so darn busy, but anyhow, there's no excuse, is it? Poor excuse. And I thought I'd finish the day with a drop of the old amber nectar, as Paul Hogan used to say. And so cheers, fellas.